SMCI stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I've been looking at super microcomputer stock, and now most of the market is green, so that's kind of like, let's say, a plus. But this is also a very good demand area, super similar to SOXL, and finally at least I'm seeing some greenery. So yes, I've had previous receipts here. Yes, it's real videos, it's not just fakery or whatever. This is previously when I cut out this long side prediction. But now it's the same things, but in this bullish range right here, I'm just like pretty much halfway there through the confirmation. Having made so many receipts on SMCI in the Discord, and not just that, man, like I've done 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in the space. My genuine 2 cents on this is that only if I see this double break and shift am I looking to take things up. If not, it's all good. Buying would just pretty much not gonna be, it's gonna be not like non-existent, and not in a way where I'm just kind of trying to be like pessimist here, but it's just gonna be me following my strategy, right? So obviously not financial advice. I will continue to keep you updated, and if you want to stay tuned with SMCI and want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter. Goodbye.